Foghashing C2 Immersion kit, at home AIO setup, big dry cooler outside. We'll take a look at it in just a moment. What's Miner M30S on the right, S19K Pro from Bitmain on the left. Two hoses, outlet, inlet, going to two 2-inch holes for protection. We got 2-inch PVC, 2 power meters, 2 30-amp breakers, 2 PDUs, making sure everything is split evenly, capturing a Wi-Fi signal and then converting it to Ethernet for both these miners. Then we have the dry cooler, pushing out a lot of air coming out of the holes in the wall and flowing good air, good circulation to keep my ASICs nice and cool.